Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're cooking Sunday dinner, so join me as I complete this one. We're cooking some delicious stew pork, rice and peas, fried plantain, and I did salad off camera. And this is the finished look. So if you want to see how I achieved this one, guys, just continue watching. Watch to the end, like the video, share, drop me a comment, and let's make this one, guys. And if it's the first time here, welcome. Please tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you won't miss another upload. And to my returning supporters, I appreciate you guys a lot. Yes, so let's get into this, guys. Here I have some pork. I'm just going to cut these, wash with vinegar, season, and put to marinate. I marinate mine for 6 hours. You can do 1 hour, depending on the time available to you. So we're just going to cut these, washed, and I'll come back in a bit, guys. So continue watching. Okay, now that we have seasoned our meat, we're going to jump on. This is a couple hours in, and I already cooked my peas off camera, and I just have some seasoning to add to my peas. I have scallion, thyme, garlic, hot pepper, pimento seed, and I have some complete season, coconut milk, salt, and garlic powder. And all this is going to add to my peas that I cook off camera, and just allow that to boil for a couple of minutes. We're going to allow our peas and coconut milk and all those spices to just boil as we mentioned. So now we're going to caramelize some sugar so we can start cooking our pork. So here I've added some oil, allow that to heat up, add no sugar. Keep an eye on this one, guys, it burns easily. When it comes to the color that you choose, you add the meat, put the seasons aside for us to use. And we're not going to add water at this moment. We're going to cover our pot and allow it to start sweating. And then we're going to add water further on for cooking this. So just put your kettle on, guys, because we're going to need hot water. So here 10 minutes in, guys, we have juice. So we're just going to cover back again and allow this to do its thing. And now I'm going to wash my rice and add to my peas. So continue watching, guys.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before I knew. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew
So at this moment, this is like 30 minutes in from adding the water. So now our pork is completely cooked. So now we're going to add some more hot water. To the hot water and the pork, we're going to add the season that we left for using. So now we're just going to add the season. Additional, I cut a few carrots and add to this. Then we're going to stir well and allow it to simmer for a couple of minutes. Then we're going to add ketchup and taste and adjust if needed.
I don't wanna, but I know I gotta do it. The truth is hard to swallow. I think I'll chew it.
Here after 25 minutes, I'm checking on my rice and it's cooked. So I'm just going to remove the scallion, thyme and add pepper and fluff up my rice. Cover back my pot, remove from flame, and we finish our dinner. I think this is my first Cook With Me Sunday dinner video of 2026. Today is way in the 20s, but anyhow, I'm still giving you guys contents. Yes. So tell me in the comment section, guys, if you're enjoying my Cook With Me Sunday dinner. Just drop all your thoughts in the comment section. So now we're just going to finish this up. I already add my ketchup. Now I'm just tasting and I just taste. I'm going to add a bit more complete season, some black pepper, garlic powder, stir, cover my pot and allow it to simmer so the sauce thicken while we fried our plantain. Salad is already in the fridge cooling. I made that one off camera. So dinner is almost finished. For the banana, I'm just going to slice, fry till golden brown, and remove. And then we can serve dinner. So I'll come back when dinner is finished. Okay guys, rice finished, plantain finished, pork finished. This sauce tastes so good guys, with the taste of ginger, pimento seed, a bit of pepper, fresh scallion and thyme. What can go wrong? Yes. So dinner ready. So the last option for me now is to serve myself a plate of food. And here I've served up my plate guys. I have some salad that I did off camera, tomato, cucumber, my carrot cabbage salad, and we have our fried plantain, our delicious tasty rice, and not to mention our pork, guys. Yes, I haven't had stewed pork in a bit, so you can just imagine now, guys. Yes. So this is dinner, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy this one. And also, guys, please share with a friend, like the video, please, and drop me a comment below. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.